Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, I will show you how to adjust the welding knife height for the 6-side PE film packaging machine. It's very simple. There is a wheel nearby the welding knife. First, loose the screw that fixes the sealing knife. Then, turn the hand wheel to adjust the height of the sealing knife. Generally speaking, the height of the sealing knife is about 50 mm above than the height of the EPS foam products. For more information about 6-side PE film packaging machine, please contact with us by email or leave your comments below. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and give us a like. We would like to hear from you. See you next video. One more thing, when you have the correct height, do not forget to retighten the screw that holds the welding knife. Bye.